Hello, Crypto Tester here. It's a long time I wanted to show you something about Secret Network. There is so much to say, just come to the website here, have a look at the ecosystem, and you will just get a little idea. The very interesting part in this video, it's about DeFi. So in particular, I will go here to the secret swap. And as you can see, you have a swap similar to Uniswap. Then you can also have pools where you can provide and withdraw liquidity, and you can see here the farming opportunities here under earn. And in this video in particular I show you that there is a very interesting farm opportunity between Ethereum and Ethereum on BSC. So more or less the swap is 1-to-1. I show you in a second. So when you swap one ETH from Ethereum to one ETH version BSC, it's a 0.99. If you do the opposite, then it's 1 as well. So there is 0.6% difference, and that's the highest I found so far, 19%, to provide liquidity in an almost stable way for Ethereum. And I'm showing to achieve that, to deposit an LP token here, first you need to have assets on both Ethereum and BSC, which you can bridge thanks to the bridge in here. So when you come in this page, you will have to connect Kepler wallet, and then you will have to connect MetaMask or the other Ethereum wallet you're using. And if you go to Ethereum, then it will tell you wrong network. Just make sure that you choose the correct network. You click this one, and then you can bridge the number of tokens, ETH token you want, to your address, which I already did. Now I'll show you how we'll do it on Binance Smart Chain. So here you select your coin, which is ETH BSC here. I did put just one from Binance, well, which is 0.999, and just click on max. Here I click use my address, my secret address, because I connected Kepler wallet, and then here I click bridge to secret network, and the fee from Binance Smart Chain is just a few cents, as you can see, 11 cents. So I confirm it here, and here I just confirm again. Now this should take not much, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So you can click on follow transaction status, and then click on view in Explorer to see. Wow, it's done already. Binance Smart Chain, it's quite fast. So in a few moments I should see it here. So your transaction is being processed. Okay, it shows the number of confirmations, and then it has to happen also on the bridge. Okay, transaction is completed. Nice. So now I can see here my balance, secret network balance. I have this secret ETH here, which now I can provide in the pool. So I can close this one. I can go to the secret swap. I want to go here. So I go to pool. I select again my assets to provide. So ETH from Ethereum and ETH BSC. So provide maximum of this one, and here, and I can click provide. So if I don't want to have this silly number 0.9999, I can actually swap some assets. So I show you how a swap works in here. And so because I have some cashback tokens from my late swaps, I can click on here to redeem them. Claim. Now you see the Kepler wallet in action. Here you can also choose fees, similarly to MetaMask. I always choose the low one because I'm Scrooge. And then I wait a few more seconds, of course, which I cut in my video editing anyway. So cool. That took more or less 30 seconds using the cheapest fees. Now I wanna go to swap those ones. Here I wanna swap this CFI to Ethereum. So here I see a balance, and here I see the balance. Okay, so let's see. I wanna swap maybe 100 and 50, 190 to as if, and I still want to spend low. Come on. And it worked, you see. Now I wanna spend the rest and convert it to secret if, but the version of BSC. Click it. So there you go. So finally now I can go to pool providing. Here I can click provide and then select again CIF and the other one CIF BSC, and I get the maximum here to get this one, or I can just put opposite, the maximum of the lowest one, and this will not be enough, so I have to use this one. Okay, so click provide. Did you see that the amount of secret tokens at the top right is going down, you know, because I'm paying the swap fees? At the moment, one secret is more or less 90 cents, so it's a very good price, I would say. Not financial advice, but if you're not into secret, normally you wanna buy the dips, and this is a good dip. There you go, finally. Now I can go in here, the earn page, and I can go at the bottom where I see my target farm, and here I can see a balance. By the way, to see the balance, normally you have to create a key here, and then you click view balance, then Kepler will suggest you what to do, then you just go on. I already did it, so for to see the balance of these assets, I don't need to do it again. So here they say earn, so I click 100%. My one if in both results in this amount here, so it's nice, again a silly number, not on one beginning of one. I don't care. Click here, earn, and let's try again on the low fees because it should work. Okay. So something is not really working because I clicked it, I saw the transaction, and yet I can see here that I have 100% available. So that's weird. So I retried with a lower amount, so I tried with 25% and it worked. So I'm afraid that maybe it's not about 50% or something like that. It's if I try 100%, the number that I see here is not precise or something. Let's see. Try again. You see amount 186, yes, 144222. It ends with 147262, 147232. So I don't know if I change this, it will change that. Nope. So let's see. This time it worked, but it didn't take this. So that's a little bit of dust in here. Not a problem, but I think that was the problem. Yeah. Anyway, finally this seems to have worked. So I did stake this stuff. To unstake it in the future if I want, I can do here 100% or say 50% and so on. It seems that if it doesn't work with 100%, you have to try to play with the number and put one less in here, so 35 or something like that. So I reported this in Discord so that the developers can have a look at this. Hope this video helped you. If so, give it a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.